How to apply monetization to Facebook page. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Simply click on three lines on top right and then go to your page. Switch to your page and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Again, click on three lines on top right and then you'll find your profile. Click on your profile and then you'll find professional dashboard on top. Click on professional dashboard and here simply scroll down and you'll find monetization. Click on see all and monetization, and from here you can apply to monetize. I am not eligible for this platform. As you can see, it's showing not yet eligible. If you are eligible, you will simplify apply option and you can apply. This is how to apply monetization to Facebook page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.